Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm gonna show you how to make this delicious crab shakuti. It is a traditional and delicious Goan crab curry or Goan crab masala. To make this curry in Goan style, mostly roasted spices are used, which gives a good aroma to this curry. Also adding fresh roasted coconut gives this curry a really nice taste. So it is a very simple and an easy recipe, and I've shown you step by step how to make it. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first, to make the Xacuti masala, add oil in a hot pan, add 1 onion, 2-inch ginger, 2 garlic cloves, then fry this until nice and brown, something like this. Then add 4 tablespoon coriander seeds, 10 cloves, 1 star anise, half maize spice, 14 black peppercorns, 1.5 teaspoon cumin seeds, 3 Kashmiri dry red chilies, 3 Goan dry red chilies. Then fry this for about 2 minutes. Then leave this aside in a separate plate. Then in the same hot pan, add 140 grams of freshly grated coconut and fry this until slightly brown, something like this. Then leave this aside in a separate plate. Then take a mixer jar, add all the spices and dry red chilies. Also add the grated coconut. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Add 1 cup water and blend this to a fine paste, something like this. Make sure it is nice and smooth. Then in a hot pan, add oil, add 3 garlic cloves chopped, then fry this for about a minute. Then add 2 onion chopped, fry it until the onion is nice and soft. Then add 3 green chilies, 20 to 25 curry leaves, and then fry this for about a minute. Then add 1 tomato chopped and fry it until the tomatoes are soft. Then add 3 large crabs, clean and cut. These crabs which are used here are called as blue swimmers. Then give this a nice mix. Make sure the flame is on medium. Then add some salt to taste and give this a mix. Then cover and cook this for about 5 minutes. Then add the Xacuti masala which was previously made, and then add 1 cup water. Give this a nice mix. And add half cup water, add some salt to taste and give this a mix. Then cover and cook this for about 15 minutes. Then give this a mix. So the crabs are perfectly cooked now. Then finish this dish by adding some chopped coriander. So the recipe for crab shakuti is ready now. This recipe is super delicious and you'll absolutely love this recipe. So do try this recipe at home and let me know how it is. Also, if you like this recipe, then please hit the like, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. As we conclude our culinary adventure through the flavors of Goa, we hope you have enjoyed discovering the magic of Goan crab Xacuti masala. This dish truly captures the essence of Goan cuisine. Whether you are a seasoned chef or a passionate foodie, we invite you to recreate this dish at home and share it with your loved ones. Until next time, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.